Today on the galley, pizza, but not just any pizza. I want to tell you how to grill your pizza. So I've got my pizza dough here that I made earlier today, and I'm just going to do it on a floured surface. So whatever is your favorite pizza dough, I just want to work my dough around and stretch it out a bit. Now, when I'm doing grilled pizza, I don't concern myself with the perfect shape, because you're going to be handling it and putting it on the grill and stuff, so it might not stay in that perfect shape, and that is okay. So I want to get my dough out though and stretched out, so like that. And then I've got this tray here that we're going to move this to. I'm going to generously extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to brush it on. And I'm going to move my dough, so we'll fatten that corner there. I'm going to see if I can push that out. So onto this nicely oiled tray. So I've got my grill on about 350, 400 degrees, and I've got some avocado oil, and I want to generously oil down my grates. And now comes the delicate part. Is now we're going to pick our dough back up, being very gentle, and on the oil side we're going to lay it down on our grill, and we're going to give that a minute or two. Now I've got this oil and this brush, and I just want to tap this with some oil. So now I'm going to flip it. Taking it back to my pan, and I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to put it cook side up. So now what up was down and what down was up. Our purpose out there was not just to cook all this all the way through. We didn't want to. Really, all we wanted to do was to provide some structure so that when we go back to the grill, it's easy to maneuver onto the grill. So now I'm just doing a very simple pepperoni. So I made my pizza sauce today, and I'm going to put my pizza sauce around. Now this is a fun thing to do. I've done this on boat tie-ups for holidays and stuff, and kind of made them like this, and then kind of pre-did them, and then let people garnish their own, like have all kinds of things out there, mushrooms and pepperoncinis and prosciutto and sausage and all the things, and then people can, just like this, decorate their own pizza, and then you finish it on the grill. Shredded mozzarella. Mozzarella is hard to shred. Put it in the freezer for a little bit, and that usually helps. And then pepperoni. So these are things I'd always keep on board. I always have mozzarella in the freezer. I always have sticks of pepperoni. And then I always have flour and canned tomatoes. So the rest is easy. All right, so now we're back out to the grill. And then we want to carefully, and you see how now we have structure so we can pick this up. On we go. And because we want the top to kind of melt, we're gonna put our top down. And then we're gonna have pizza in about 4 to 5 minutes. So I've got a little rotation going. I got another crust started, and you see I tore mine. You know what? It happens. It's real life cooking, and it happens. And we're just not going to lose any sleep. And you see I'm bubbling over there. My bottom looks nice and crispy. Kind of looks almost like a little heart, doesn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the pizza that we've made off. And check on him. He's not quite ready. We'll pull him off in a minute. There you have it. How to grill pizza. It couldn't be more simple. I'll see y'all later. Bye.